Hey there, it's Leo from MarineMax Lake Norman, and I have a really exciting boat for you today. This is a 2025 Scout 260 LXF. It's the first boat we've had here at our Lake Norman store. We're super excited about it. You'll see it's finished in the Scout white hull, and it does have the midnight package, so it's gonna have the black top. We did option this boat with the black rail. Some other phenomenal options. Let's go ahead and hop on inside and check it out. We've optioned this boat with the twin Yamaha 200 horsepower outboards. It's a really great option for this boat, really great power package, and then we did color match them in the Scout white as well. So it's actually the same color as the hull. Makes for a really good kind of cohesive look out on the water. Welcome aboard our 260 LXF. First off here, the thing I want to note is our great prep station here on the backside of the leaning post. It does have a sink, nice replaceable cutting board here, and then excellent tackle storage. You've got dedicated tackle boxes right here, garbage can, and then a great integrated spot for this Yeti cooler here, the magnetic catch on it. As we continue on this stern side of the boat, you've got a flip out seat here. You can sit two people comfortably when you're underway. Go ahead and fold it up out of the way for when you're fishing or don't need it. As we continue, you'll notice there's cup holders and rod holders all over the place on this boat. You've got 4 back here with 2 cup holders. You've got plenty up here. Obviously you got your rocket launchers, got some in the back of the leaning post as well. Really can never have too many rod holders on this boat. Continuing on the port side, this one does have the dive door, which is an awesome feature. Makes it super easy to bring some big fish in, or with the optional ladder that we have installed here, makes for a great in and out of the boat when you're out of the sandbar. Super easy mechanism. Great stainless steel hardware, latches up really nice. Just an awesome feature to have on this 26-foot boat. Before we move up to the bow, we do have tandem fish boxes, both on the port and starboard side. They are insulated and drained, so it's an excellent place to store gear or some of those big catches you get out on the water. Continuing forward to the helm here, you're gonna have some great flip-up bolsters, armrests, and it's a really commanding position to run the boat. With this full enclosure up here at the console, you run it in any weather. Also aiding in that is gonna be access to your electronics and switching. You've got your Yamaha screen up here, Garmin screen with your digital switching. You do have the bow camera on this boat as well. Wireless chargers, both on port and starboard, nice dedicated phone storage. And then your binnacle for your Yamaha 200s. It's an excellent option there. Really great control, great spot to be out on the boat. Continuing forward here, up at the bow, got this awesome deep storage under the front seat. That is our ladder that bolts in next to our dive door. And then we have optioned this boat with the bow filler as well. So it makes for a really comfortable sun pad out here. You can store this away when you're not using it. It's an excellent option. Finally, up here at the bow, we've got the windlass controls up and down, and then we do have the combination cup holder rod holders up here. So again, more rod holder storage, but also a great place to put a bow shade if you choose to do that. Let's wrap it up over here on the port side at the head compartment. Gonna have some great access to your systems in here out on the back side, as well as some awesome kind of storage capabilities, and then of course your pump out head. It's a really great spot, really good easy access to your systems and your battery switching. Can't talk about a Scout without talking about the A-side finish. So you'll notice of course A-side finish on the back side of the head door, as well as any of the hatches on the boat. Thanks for watching this walkthrough on this 260 LXF. We're really excited to have this in inventory. If you like this or any others that we have on our website, give us a call. We'd be happy to help. Thanks.